Hello everyone, I'm outside the Primavera Park Hotel in Benidorm. If you're interested and you want to see my review of the room, or my wee room tour, you can check it on my main channel, Jet Set Dan. I'm just going to show you around. This is the old town here. Here, there, just behind that building, well, part of that building, there was a Benidorm festival thing. Never seen it. I was planning on going over, but it was raining last night and we ended up not doing it. I think it was alright for a wee bit, but we just left it. I've been to Benidorm quite a lot, but I'm still learning, and this is my first time staying in the old town. So really, this is my first time seeing this area. See, it looked like it would have been a really good night. Look at the stage and stuff. If there's any Rangers fans along that way, it takes you to the Bluebell Bar. You can check that out. Not a football fan, not a Rangers fan, or a Celtic or anything. I watch Scotland play, I support Scotland, but other than that, I'm not into football. Main channel, Jet Set Dan. I do a different hotel video every week, so check it out. This is a Bristol hotel. I'm not sure how good that one is. It looks quite good from the outside. Maybe next time. Anybody stayed there, let me know what you think. I think, see when you're in Benidorm, see crossing the road and stuff like that, they've got strange things, but that's quite strange. I think you're meant to be pedestrians get right away there, I'm not 100% sure. But one thing to be wary of, when you see a zebra crossing like that, now, I think this one traffic's meant to stop for you, but you see ones with actual traffic lights. When the ones with traffic lights, they don't automatically stop, so be wary of that. So this is us going into the old town, and Tapas Alley isn't too far from here. I'll just show you quickly. If you go down this street, right to the very bottom, that's, in fact I'll just go down. This takes you to Levante Beach. Down there, at Christmas, that's where all the best decorations is. There's a tree there, and it's got a lot of decorations from it. It's really nice. So, really, I'm out in Benidorm filming a series of hotel videos and walking tours. So, this channel, it's probably, well, it's going to be mostly walking tours, but on my main channel, Jet Set Dan, I'll leave a link in the description. That's where I put all my hotel videos. I'll do a different hotel video every week. And if you get any suggestions, let me know. I'll try to do my best. Levante Beach. There's a wee cafe here that the food's quite good in. The cafeteria. It's been there since 1974. My wife Jacqueline and my mum, they don't like fancy food, they like plain food. So if you like plain food, they've got a lot of kind of stuff there that's quite good, like sandwiches and hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff. But here we are, Levante Beach. It's one of the best promenades in the world. I don't care what MD says. It's really nice. One of the nicest beaches. It's so clean. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this wee walk. This is just a wee walk through the Primavera Park Hotel. Let me know if you stayed in the Primavera Park Hotel. Did you like it? Would you stay there again? Is there any other hotels that you'd recommend that I try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, and also subscribe to my main channel, Jet Set Dan. Okay, thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye.